hi, welcome back. Come on in. Today we are going to look at one element of pronunciation that can be challenging for speakers of Arabic. It's the difference between the sounds p and b. Now you can see that both of these sounds start with your lips together. Your lips are together. Now, both p and b sounds start the same way, but you open your lips to make the sound. P, p, b, b. So you can see that both of these sounds look very similar. You start with your lips closed and you open your mouth just a little bit to make the sounds p, b. But can you hear the difference? P, b. Can you hear it? Okay, good. So how do we make that different sound? Well, the p sound is very soft, and to make this sound you need to blow the air gently between your lips. P, p, p. If you put your hand in front of your mouth, you should be able to feel the air on your hand. P, p, p. Now for the b sound, you don't so much blow the air as you use your voice box here to make the sound. So if you put your fingers on your throat like this, you should be able to feel it vibrate when you make the sound. B, b. Can you feel it? Now try it with p, p, p. Can you feel anything? No, because p is an unvoiced sound and b is a voice sound. You use your voice box to make this sound. Okay, now you try. Let's practice some different words and see if you can hear the difference. Pin, bin. Pat, bat. Park, bark. Pear, bear. Now it's a really good idea when you are practicing pronunciation to record yourself on your phone. That way you can listen back and hear whether you sound the same as I do when you're saying those words, and more importantly, to see if you can hear the difference. Okay, so when you're ready, try this little tongue twister. I patted the poor puppy, but it barked. I patted the poor puppy, but it barked. Let me know how you go. And if you find these pronunciation videos useful, please let me know in the comment box below, or like and share the video, and follow the Online English Academy on Facebook or Instagram. It really helps to get the videos out there to share with more people. Okay, well, take care and I'll see you next time. Bye.